Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of awe and wonder? And have you ever thought about what space hides from our daily lives? The twinkling stars, the distant planets, the sheer vastness of it all. It's a humbling experience, one that makes you realize just how small we are in the grand scheme of things. Standing under the night sky, you can't help but feel a connection to something much larger than yourself. The stars have been a source of inspiration and mystery for humanity since the dawn of time. But what if I told you that this seemingly distant and mysterious universe is more connected to our daily lives than we realize? The cosmos isn't just a backdrop for our existence, it's an integral part of it. We often think of space as something separate from our own world, a place of black holes and distant galaxies. But the truth is, space is not just out there, it's all around us, influencing our lives in countless ways. From the air we breathe to the technology we rely on, the universe plays a surprisingly intimate role in our everyday experiences. Consider the air we breathe. The oxygen in our atmosphere was created in the hearts of ancient stars, long before our planet even existed. Every breath we take is a connection to the cosmos. And what about the technology we use every day? Our smartphones, GPS systems, and even the internet rely on satellites orbiting Earth. These satellites are a testament to our ability to harness the power of the universe for our own needs. From the air we breathe to the technology we rely on, the universe plays a surprisingly intimate role in our everyday experiences. The very fabric of our lives is interwoven with the cosmos. The universe is not a distant, unreachable place, it's a part of us, and we are a part of it. This essay will explore the hidden connections between space and our daily lives. We'll journey through the cosmos, uncovering the profound ways in which the universe shapes our world and our place within it. From the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, we'll see how everything is interconnected. We'll explore the science behind the stars, the mysteries of black holes, and the wonders of distant galaxies. We'll see how space exploration has expanded our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Fasten your seatbelts and get ready for an awe-inspiring adventure. The universe is waiting to be discovered, and the journey begins now. The universe is vast, unimaginably vast. When we look up at the night sky, we are peering into a cosmic ocean that stretches beyond our comprehension. It's filled with billions upon billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars. These stars, in turn, host planets, some of which may harbor life, just like our own Earth. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one among this cosmic multitude. It is a spiral galaxy, home to our solar system, nestled in one of its spiral arms. When we contemplate these mind-boggling numbers, it's easy to feel insignificant. The sheer scale of the universe can make our daily lives seem trivial in comparison. Like our presence on this pale blue dot is utterly inconsequential. Yet this tiny speck is our home, the cradle of human civilization, and the only place we know of that harbors life. However, this vast universe is not a detached entity. It is intricately connected to us in ways we are only beginning to understand. It's the very fabric of our existence. The cosmos is not just out there, it is within us, woven into the very essence of our being. Every atom in our bodies was once forged in the heart of a star. The iron in our blood, the calcium in our bones, the oxygen we breathe, all were born in stellar furnaces. The very elements that make up our planet, our bodies, even our food, were all created billions of years ago in the fiery crucibles of supernovas. These cosmic events scattered the building blocks of life across the universe, eventually coalescing to form everything we see around us today. Let's bring this down to Earth, shall we? When we think about the universe, we often imagine distant galaxies, black holes, and supernovas. But the truth is, the universe's influence is much closer than we think. You might be surprised to learn that the universe's influence can be felt in the most mundane aspects of our lives. Every single day, we interact with remnants of cosmic events that happened billions of years ago. Take something as simple as a morning jog. As you stretch and prepare for your run, you might not realize that the very act of jogging is connected to the cosmos. As you lace up your shoes, consider this. The very ground you're about to run on was formed from cosmic dust billions of years ago. The minerals in the soil, the rocks beneath your feet, all have origins that trace back to the stars. Or perhaps you're enjoying a cup of coffee. That simple pleasure is also a cosmic connection. The caffeine that's giving you that morning boost, it's composed of elements that were created in the nuclear furnaces of stars. Every sip you take is a reminder of the universe's vast and intricate processes. It's fascinating to think that the very atoms in our bodies, the food we consume, and the air we breathe all have a cosmic origin. The stars are not just distant points of light, they are the forges of the elements that make up our world. From the food we eat to the air we breathe, the universe is intimately intertwined with our daily routines. So, the next time you go for a jog, sip your coffee, or simply take a deep breath, remember that you are experiencing the universe in a very personal way. Section 4. Gravity's unseen hand in our lives. Let's talk about gravity for a moment. It's the force that keeps our feet planted firmly on the ground, preventing us from floating off into space. But gravity does so much more than just hold us down. It dictates the motion of the planets, the tides of the oceans, and even the flow of time itself. Without gravity, life as we know it simply wouldn't exist. It's the invisible hand that shapes our world, governing everything from the way our bodies function to the way we design buildings and bridges. Section 5. Celestial Choreography, the Dance of Seasons and Tides. The celestial bodies that grace our night sky are not just pretty lights. They exert a powerful influence on our planet and our lives. Take the sun, for example. It's the ultimate source of energy for our planet, driving our weather patterns, seasons, and climate. And then there's the moon, Earth's celestial dance partner. Its gravitational pull is responsible for the tides, the rhythmic rise and fall of ocean levels that have shaped coastlines and influenced maritime navigation for centuries. Section 6. From Space to Your Pocket. Technology's Giant Leap. You might not realize it, but space exploration has had a profound impact on our technological advancement. Many of the technologies that we take for granted today, from GPS navigation to satellite TV, owe their existence to the space program. The pursuit of space exploration has driven innovation in fields like materials science, computer technology, and telecommunications. These advancements have then trickled down into our everyday lives, revolutionizing the way we communicate, navigate, and even access information. Section 7. Starry Nights and Cultural Tales. For millennia, humans have looked to the stars with a sense of wonder and awe. The celestial tapestry has inspired countless myths, legends, and works of art throughout history. From the ancient Egyptians who aligned their pyramids with the stars to the Greek myths that personified celestial bodies as gods and goddesses, astronomy has played a pivotal role in shaping human culture and belief systems. Even today, astronomical events like meteor showers and eclipses continue to captivate our imaginations, reminding us of our place in the vast cosmic ballet. Remember to click like, share, and subscribe for an enjoyable viewing on the space.